Alright, y'all, man. I don't know if I had made a day 2 or let y'all know that I'm doing a continuation to the video. I still don't know if this finna be a part 2 or I'm finna just have it part of the video. But we going back out to Elmhurst, man. We gonna check out this hood, see if everything right, and we're gonna have it put on. So that's pretty much finna be what's going on, man. So I'll get back to y'all when I make it to Elmhurst. I ain't gonna bore y'all with driving footage. I done made it to the location, man. See my baby right here. Got her hood off again, man. Finna put this on today. Gonna clean up the engine bay because it did drizzle a little bit when I was making it to the crib yesterday. But yeah, man, tell me what y'all think about this cinematic mode. I kind of like it, man. You get like a nice little focus, a little bokeh. It look like some professional, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I got the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Definitely doing this job, man. Yeah, we waiting on him to bring the stuff out, man. We get it together, man. Make sure. All social medias, man. The real J3RT. All social medias, TikTok, Instagram, man. Make sure y'all follow me, man. I bought the marker so I can put a little mark on here. I'm sitting away patient, man. I'm gonna be back when he come with the stuff. Oh yeah, here we go. Part 2. What's going on?
What you doing?
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Sorry for waiting.
It's cool. We here now, man.
Yeah.
Tired, man. Ready to go home. Get this too. I ain't gonna show my center console, man. Look like Dookie. This the popper. I don't even need that. When I make it to the crib, I'm gonna install the I'm gonna install the windshield wiper and all that. So that was gonna be the last time with that other hood, man. Get this on and put it together. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it got the bumper got some good weight to it, man.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's definitely worth the price. I ain't gonna lie. Came with these pre-installed, man. And it already came with this to lock this in place. So you don't need the one from the old hood. That's a good thing, because I didn't even think about that when I took it off. So yeah, man. This side.
Yeah. Okay.
Floor.
Too strong, you know?
Yeah. Sheesh. It ain't known yet. It ain't fully aligned yet, but man.
RDMS.
Man. What it got Petrosis?
You need a new bumper, right? Fuck, you know, it's very strong.
Man. Sheesh. That's not bad. I am a little disappointed though.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Man.
Like this, right?
This gap. This is good. Alright, y'all. They go to final product reveal, man. See the gaps, man. We gonna get some of this together when I get home. But overall, it's not bad, man. Got a nice price for it. So, where can they find you?
So, Giovanni Ramirez Marketplace. So, this is my marketplace. We have,
Oh, wait, let me focus it for you.
yeah, let me see. We don't have the phone, but we sell for Charger, so Chrysler, Durango, Jeep, when you need, let me know. This is my Facebook. So this is Giovanni Ramirez. We have different hoods, like your friend. So I like this hood. It's good, huh? Good. I like it, huh? So we have a city web. This is the www.timesgarage. Yes.
You said www.timsgarage.us. They say y'all hit them on Facebook at Giovanni Ramirez.
Yeah. Thank
And
you.
what's the number, man?
Let me see.
Just in case if they want to reach you.
Yeah. So 773.
So if y'all want to reach him, man, you can reach him at 773-524-1572.
Yeah.
What normal areas y'all like ship and stuff like that too?
Yeah.
They ship as well. So hit him up, man. It'll get you right, man, because he definitely got me right. It's a nice little bumper right here, man. And we're going to end up working in the future, man. We'll see how it's going. We might get this satin wrap. So y'all might see him again, man. But I'm going to end it at this, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, post notifications, man. We're going to be lit, man. We're going to have a lot of things coming for the car in the future. New bumper, back bumper, long tube headers, all the good stuff, man. Peace. Man, I'm with Giovanni Ramirez, man. He just hooked me up with a nice little hood right here. As y'all can see, it got good fitment and everything for a really decent price. Man, y'all go ahead, get y'all one, man. And make sure y'all follow me on YouTube, man, at The Real J3RT. We're gonna have a lot of good stuff coming soon for the car, man. Long tube headers, new front bumper, back bumper. I'm pretty much gonna have a wide body scat pack. So y'all stay in tune, man. And make sure y'all hit him up, man, and get y'all one of these.